and you wonder what it would be like if you were there too.
Death is coming for our family.
I said, oh, 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 oh.
I won't keep you if you wish to leave. But I want you to choose which door to go through based on your faith.
What does this have to do with us leaving?
Everything.
This could get messy.
No shit. You thought you were gonna be some great saviors?
How old are you?
28.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm 29.
We are about to embark on an adventure.
Anything you can dream about here, you can make.
Now let's have some fun.
Charlie, I think you need to see this.
What is this?
Your wife has been killed.
Måske er de ikke så slemme, som vi tror, de er.
Hvad snakker du om? Vores forældres krig er på vej til at blive vores. Find ud af, hvilken side du er på.
You look like an angel.
Ordning på nu. Nej, hvad gør det?